The EduTouch interactive solution is specifically designed for schools and kindergartens, comprising the EduTouch interactive panel, an extensive curriculum support software suite, technical support, and comprehensive training. This EduTouch solution creates an interactive and collaborative learning environment within the classroom and gives teachers the ability to use superior technology effectively to create life-changing learning experiences. EduTouch panels are available in a variety of sizes to fit any classroom and can be wall-mounted or fitted on a mobile trolley or stand. They are used extensively in schools throughout Australia and are a preferred product on the Education Queensland government contract. EduTouch panels are intuitive to use and feature an intelligent interface with touch control, high-resolution image with 4K Ultra HD display, toughened anti-glare safety etched glass, 32-point touch, 8GB of system memory, 64GB user storage, dual-band Wi-Fi AX with hotspot and Bluetooth, a web browser, whiteboard, selection of custom tools like the annotation tool, which allows you to annotate over anything displayed regardless of source, 7-year warranty, and is compatible with all major operating systems. Resources can be accessed on the Android operating system, the internal PC if purchased separately, on a personal external device such as a desktop or a laptop. eShare supports schools by creating a collaborative learning environment in their classrooms and supports flexible teaching without using cables. Wireless screen mirroring and touch control for Windows and Mac laptops and computers, and wireless display for iPads, tablets and mobile phones is available, allowing up to 9 devices to be mirrored at the same time. Built-in interactive applications and tools are available, such as annotation tools, a calculator, a calendar, a stopwatch, countdown timer, a magnifier, screenshots, screen recording, a spotlight, and a curtain. The EduTouch interactive panel gives you the ability to work interactively and seamlessly with most document formats, from the panel, the cloud, or a USB. EduTouch panels include an interactive whiteboard, which engages students by making learning more interesting, fun and participative, with customizable backgrounds, a selection of tools and features to stimulate creativity and inspiration. For more information on the EduTouch interactive panels, visit the website www.ig3education.com.au, email info@ig3education.com.au or call 1800 334 633.